In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dynamic calendar in Excel. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get a professional-looking calendar that updates itself using the tools already built into Excel. By the end, you'll have a calendar that's easy to reuse, customize, and share without building everything from scratch. First, open Excel and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view, which is where Excel manages new documents, templates, and saving options. Think of it as the home base for creating polished, ready-to-use files. If you don't see the File tab immediately, it's usually at the top left of the Excel window. Next, click More Templates. This opens the full template gallery, giving you a wide selection of professionally designed calendars. The gallery exists to save you time and reduce setup mistakes. Instead of formatting grids, headers, and date formulas manually, the templates come with those pieces already done, and many of them are designed to be dynamic, meaning they adjust automatically based on the month or year you select inside the sheet. Now, choose a template. Take a moment to preview the options and read the short descriptions. Look for a calendar that mentions dynamic, auto update, or includes a month and year selector. You'll often see monthly layouts with clean headers, spaces for notes, and color-coded weekends. Some designs focus on printable pages. Others emphasize planning and tracking inside Excel. Pick the one that best fits how you plan to use it, whether that's for scheduling at work, organizing personal events, or laying out project timelines. When you select a template, Excel creates a fresh workbook based on it, so you're never editing the original. Most calendar templates come with built-in formulas and formatting to handle varying month lengths and start days, which is what makes them dynamic. If the template includes a month or year dropdown, the grid will automatically reflow, saving you from manual date entry. Many templates also include helpful legends, sample text, or conditional formatting to highlight weekends and holidays. You can safely replace sample text with your own notes and events later, and the structure will remain intact. A couple of quick tips as you choose. Aim for a clear, uncluttered layout if you plan to print. Pick a design with room for notes if you'll track tasks or appointments, and favor templates that mention automatic updates so you get the dynamic behavior you're after. That's all there is to it. Click File, click More Templates, and choose a template that updates automatically. With just those steps, you'll have a dynamic Excel calendar you can use all year,